right now in this vantage point, and to be honest, you just can't see a lot right now with the smoke that is billowing through here. That was likely a gas tank that just exploded over there behind me. But this is an active fire. It is still burning. It is not under control, and it is downright scary. So if you do not need to be in this community, if you are safe somewhere, as I said before, please do not try and come back. Just be thankful that you have and that you are okay, and be thankful for what you have, and let the firefighters do their best to try and protect many of these other fires from burning. We're going to head back out to the